As you can see, I was just about to go to a party, my nephew's 2-year-old birthday party, so happy birthday, Koa. Anyway, I jumped to Evo, I was just putting some music on, and then this started to make a noise. Ready? Yeah. Yep. I don't know what that is. It sounds like a, I don't know, Bodman, drivetrain, something. But yeah, my wife's put the van back up, waving in there, and we're gonna put this on the hoist and find out what that is. But comment below, tell me what you think I've done to this engine. Wasn't driving it, it was just idling, and it started making that noise. Let me know in the comments below. Oh man. I don't understand, you know, I treat these cars well, I don't rev them too hard, and this is this seems to be our outcome of my life quite a fair bit. Tell you what good arm workout. Oh, there you go. Going on that first go, 2. Come on, momentum. Oh, too much momentum. Oh! My shoulder. So good. What?